Now we will try to superheat water by inserting the water bowl into a metal basket. It makes the microwave can only reach the water from above. Let's put the bowl in the metal basket, and set the timer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of heating, the water hasn't been superheated. After 6 minutes of reheating, the water still hasn't been superheated. After another 4 minutes of reheating, small bubbles are formed on the water surface, but it's still not superheated. After another 2 minutes of reheating, dipping a metal object starts to produce small bubbles when it's moved around. After another 2 minutes of reheating, larger bubbles are produced around the metal object. This shows that the metal basket reduces the power of microwave absorbed by water. Water superheating is still possible, but takes longer duration.